What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Boys Family Dinner. We like to eat well on a budget.
Tonight we are going to be making a super easy chicken and veggie sheet pan dinner. And you guys will have to let us know in the comments below if you like it better when we make our own recipes or our copycat recipes.
Say hi.
So first we are going to chop up our veggies. You want to make sure to cut the tips off of your green beans. For our potatoes, we are just going to cube them up. We don't want them to be in too big of pieces so that they'll cook evenly.
For our potatoes and chicken, we're gonna make a garlic butter. So we melted some butter. We're gonna do some minced garlic in there, and to add a little extra garlic flavor, we're gonna add garlic powder. Look out, dude. No, sir.
You can help.
Good helping. Okay, so we're gonna add quite a bit of that. It's about a tablespoon of that. Good job. Can we mix? Good mixing, buddy. Okay, so we're gonna take this garlic butter and we're gonna put it on our potatoes and a little bit on the chicken. We're gonna start by seasoning the chicken with a little bit of rosemary. Okay, and then we're gonna add salt and pepper as well. So these were pretty thick chickens, but not thick enough to where we're gonna butterfly them because we want it to cook pretty evenly with the potatoes. So we're gonna make sure you get both sides seasoned. Just go ahead and flip that over. And now we're gonna go ahead and add the garlic butter to the potatoes and the chicken. So we'll pour it over our potatoes, and we'll mix those all in. And then we're gonna take our brush, we're gonna brush the chicken. We all know butter makes everything better, so don't be shy. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put the chicken and potatoes in the oven at 425 for about 20-25 minutes.
All right, about 2/3 of the way through, we are going to take out our chicken and potatoes and then add our green beans. We are doing this because we don't want the green beans to overcook and get all mushy and gross. Come here, dude. Come here, dude.
Because they're ready to help.
Okay, hot, don't touch. And then we are going to do the same seasoning on our green beans. So we're gonna do salt, pepper, and then the rest of our garlic butter. Good job. Good job, dude. Alright, I'm gonna get messy here for a minute and just kind of roll them all together to make sure they're as evenly coated as we can get. And then we are going to put this back in the oven for about another 10-ish minutes.
Okay, time is up, so we're gonna go ahead and take that out of the oven. Look at that. Sizzling hot and smells great. All right, y'all, thanks for watching. Say bye, buddy.